Hello, good morning. I'm going to give you the fundamentals or essential factors affecting learning curve or learning process. Learning curve and growth mindset are related. Growth mindset affects the learning curve by the transformation how an individual approach challenges. A growth mindset, for example, sees the learning curve not as a measure of fixability but as a path for improvement, leading to, shall we say, persistence and focused effort, and effective use of strategy. So, learning curve actually, growth mindset actually motivates individual to engage in self-learning, or shall we say, improve in the learning process. So, dapat mag-uban yun na siya. These are the factors affecting learning curve. Dapat motivated ang tao, labi na estudyante. Okay? Motivated siya. Dayon, able to engage in the learning process, no? Dili magod basta ning learning process. It takes a transformation of the individual, know how the individual face challenges, but the capacity to learn something, no, based on the belief na learning is not a fixability, but learning is a growth, no. It can be used through the use of techniques and strategies. So there are easy way to learning growth. There are also the hard ways. But most of the time, lisod di kayo ang mag-self-improve ka sa imong learning curve. So, kailangan kag motivation, kailangan kag engagement. Dahil you also need prior, no? You also need prior knowledge and experience. So, depende pa sa imong background, previous background, imong initial background. For example, before you go to calculus, kailangan kag basic sa algebra, kailangan po kag basic sa geometry. Dili man pwede mo ambak sa calculus. Di ka mo agi og background, no? Di ka mo agi og mga basics. So, mag-uban gina ang prior knowledge, ang imong prior experience dito sa imong motivation, willingness, and ability to engage in self-learning. Of course, would also depend on the learning environment, no? Depende kung supportive ba na imong family, imong parents, imong igsuon supportive ba, mayo ba, doon na ba learning material sa balay, doon na ba learning material sa eskwelahan, no? Competitive ba siya ang eskwelahan or dili? So, nagdepende na sa classroom as well as family and the community at large, no? Unsa na ang mga learning environment niya. I notice nga, kung nabito ka sa University Belt, I notice that sa Cebu o sa Manila, napasili ko ng nga tao dito, guys. Labi na gidinigid sa Cebu, San Carlos, Candega, libot, magkada, libuton. Yan nasa National University Belt. Pati dito ang ilang mga helper or I would say mas tip din sa gikayo ang ilang panglantaw sa buhay, no? Medyo wider ilang horizon because it is very near to the academic environment, no? Of course, depende pa rin sa teaching methods and strategy sa instructor or professor, no? And of course, cognitive ability ni mo na may cognitive ability na to nga late na 8 years old, 6 years old na 8 years old pagyapon niya ang cognitive ability because of inborn defects, no? Kanang gitawag niya mo retarded na retard ang iyang cognitive ability. Yung IQ is 140 pero bata pa. Napoy uban nga IQ is below 50. Tiguang na. So, doon ang gitawag ni mo o cognitive ability that is necessary. Necessary na siya. Factor affecting learning growth. Another is emotional stability, no? Emotional stability and mental health sa tao. And then another is socioeconomic background and social interaction. So, all these factors affect learning growth. Okay? But all these factors follow the 4 stages of learning curve. Magsugod ka o incompetence usually kani mga edad o mga elementary. Kita gini mas lang nga formative ba ang na siya. So, matawag pag gini mo na siya incompetence. Pag umana dahil nana din sa level of awareness stage, dahil pag abot sa college, muna na siya ang learning na dahil sa learning. And then, mastery. And then, okay. Muna mo na siya, no? Muna siya nga factors. How to improve a learning curve? There is no easy way. Na isa yun na ay lisod. Pero na ay mga technique, naging technique na nga specific periods nga kada activity will create or practice will create a massive, huge improvement in the output of the learner, no? Nasa kuan nga grabe yung hago, pero the hard way, no? Lisod buhaton, nasultod pero lisod buhaton because it comes the hard way. Okay? At any rate, there is such a thing as learning curve, no? So this is the relationship of learning curve. Actually ang driver gid aning lecture karon is there is a positive relationship between learning curve and growth mindset. Growth mindset shapes the learning curve through the transformation of how individual approaches challenges. Muna siya nga question. Growth mindset sees the learning curve not as a fixed ability but rather a growth ability, no? And it can be used as a strategy for further improvement. Muna nga, laylay ng tao, laylay og learning rate, laylay og learning curve. Ay uban steeper kaayo, na uban nga medyo pagkaplato na. But it persists through difficult phases, no? From incompetence, dayon awareness, dayon learning, and then mastery. So that's it.